Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Okay, now we'll start our session. Guys, in previous session, we completed about the file handling, reading the files and writing the files related. We did it, guys. Okay, na? So reading the files, writing the files related we did. Now today, file handling with OS module related. How to handling the files or folders using the OS module. That is, we are going to discussing today. So simply file handling with OS module. So OS is a predefined module. Previously, module chapter we discussed every .py file is considering like a module in Python. Okay, every .py file is considering like a module in Python, guys. So we have three different types of modules: predefined modules, user-defined modules, the third-party modules. So the modules which are coming along with the Python software are called as the predefined modules. Okay. So for example, OS is one of the module, predefined module, along with the software only coming. OS module, JSON module, like number of modules there, guys. The time module, date time module, calendar module, like several modules are coming along with the Python software. Some are available in the internet, considering like a third-party modules. Those are developed by some other developers, and they kept in the internet. We can download as per the requirement. Okay. N number of modules there. All we are not going to discussing is as per the requirement. What we required, we are focusing on those modules. Okay. So now we'll focus on this one, first one. So predefined modules available in the Python software location, guys. So this is my user-defined module. Here, third-party module there. Assumption here. So predefined related modules there here, and web modules or else third-party modules we are calling here. And next, these are the this is user-defined module, simply user-defined. So as a developer, we are working on here, guys. As per the requirement, we are going to write the logics. We have one requirement task, task-based logics we are developing. Sometimes we require these predefined modules. Just we are going to collecting these things to here. So let me know, guys, these user-defined modules, how we are using in these, sorry, these predefined modules, how we are using in this user-defined module location. How we are using? By importing. How we are importing? Three ways importing, I said, using the import keyword required module name, or using the from keyword from the module name, import required property name, like that we can import. Simply by using import keyword or from keyword, we can import. And here some third-party module there, guys. These things, if we want use, so we have to download. How we are downloading? Using the pip command we are downloading. So pip install followed by the required module. For example, Django framework. If you want to developing the web application using the Python technology, then Django is one module. So D silent letter, that's why we are calling like a Django module. Okay, if you are calling D Django also, no problem, guys. So then pip command communicating to internet, looking for Django, finding Django, downloading, installing. This is available here, and this one we can import to here and we can use it here. Okay, like this we are working, guys. So predefined modules are here available. OS is a predefined module. So this is I want to import to my user defined module. And in this module, number of methods there is a number of methods there. Sub packages there, already existing methods there. As per the requirement, we can use different methods or packages, sub packages, and together we can write the development related logic. All of you clear this concept? So simply OS is one of the predefined module. By using the import keyword, we can import it. This OS module is providing so many functionalities, so many methods it is providing. Using them, we can handle our operating system. Our operating system we can handle. Okay, OS we can handle, guys. For example, inside our OS, for example, here in the D drive, I create a number of folders, guys. So for our session, AIT3 folder I created here. So we did so many programs, guys. Okay, and I created some folders also here. So how we are creating folders? So simply here, right clicking. Okay, in this location, right clicking, click on the new and click on the new folder. Or else here the GUI menu is there. Directly we are going to creating the folder whatever we want. If we want to delete this folder, right clicking this folder and going to deleting guys. Okay, we can update the data, we can delete the data, like whatever we want, we can do it using this OS. Understanding? If you know, or else if you are learning as Linux related, so there this folder creation, file creation, what are the folders and files available in this current working directory? These all things, if you want to understand, commands, we have to use some commands, guys. CLI commands, command line interface commands we are using, simply CLI commands. Okay, so Linux is like a low level language we can consider, and Windows is like I mean it is like high level. GUI interfaces there, guys, simply. Okay, na? So now these all things what we are doing here: folder creation, file creation, deleting, updating, and this folder I want to move to the another location, guys, another directory. So these all things using the Python programming also we can do. How to do that is using the OS module. Creating the Python script using the OS module, we can perform it. All of you clear? Today agenda. Okay, why we are using OS module means this is the requirement. Now we will use it. So now previous programs I'm closing, guys. See, guys, here one new Python file I created, OS module program.py, just empty file I created. So here I want to import, import OS. So OS is a predefined module, no need to download and install, directly can import it. Okay, now? So our current working directory is what? This is our file, guys. This is our file. What is our current working directory? D drive A83. Inside that files folder, inside that our current program is there. So now I want to find out which is the current directory. What is our current directory? Okay, now? So for that we have one method called get CWD, means get current working directory. Get the current working directory. Okay, so this current working directory I want to print, guys. I want to print. So here, if you want a meaningful message, you can create a current working directory is so and so, like that. You can write current working directory. Current working directory. /n means moving to the new line, there printing. Okay, so now here right click, click on here, run. So now you can check it, guys, here. So current working directory, this is our current working directory. D drive 83 files. This one is our current working directory. Are you clear? Sometimes when we are writing the logic, so we require to find out our current working directory. There we are going to do some actions. For example, somebody is uploading some files, guys. Those files we are accessing using the UI technologies. They are uploading files. So using Python backend technology code, guys, so we are writing and uploaded a file we are downloading. Simply we are receiving, and that is we are going to save in our current working directory, or else in different directory, wherever you want, you can do it. So for that purpose, sometimes we can use this one. Okay, now? Okay. So this OS module top side I'm using, guys, every time instead of importing. So just every task related, immediately I'll close it, this one. Okay, later you can enable it and you can do the practice, guys. Okay, na? So many modules there. Task based related will do, guys. So already this file handling related assignments I uploaded, guys. These assignments I uploaded. So almost these all things I explained in our regular session. So do practice, guys. Do practice this all. Same like this. Our OS module related also one more task related I created. So as for this, I will explain it. Okay, now? So here, get the current working directory. This is just now we did, guys. Just now we did. Okay. So here I'll write comment. Then easily will understand, guys. Okay. So next another one, change the directory, guys. Change the directory name. Okay. So okay, some are order not required, guys. I'll do all the things, but every question I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, na? So directly starting only hard questions I don't want to discuss. So list all the files and folders in the current directory. So right now only what is current directory we find out here. In this folder, what are the subfolders there? What are the files there? I want to list out. Okay, then here already OS module imported. No need to importing every time. Directly can use this OS module. Okay, now? Yes, OS dot list dir. We have a list dir function, guys. List dir method. So use that. Okay, print. Then you're going to get a list of directories and folders which are available in the current working directory. So now check it, guys. Here the list format square bracket representing list, guys. So list of folders, guys. These all are the folders and files there. Okay, this is a file, a text file. This is a text file, and some folders there. This is a Python file, guys. This is a Python file. Python file. Is there any folders? So folders means without any extension there, guys. Okay. So I think in this all the files only there, no folders. Binary sample, all files only we got it. Okay, I'll check it here. So in A83, okay. Okay, in A83 folder, we have these all subfolders. But right now, our current working directory is what? Files. In this, no folders there. All our files only there. Okay, except this one. That's why we're getting like that. Okay, I'll create some, for example, Django. This is one folder, Django. And inside this subfolder I'm creating is like a REST API, empty folders only. Okay, coming out, and create one more folder Python I'm creating. Okay, so these things available. Now comes to here and re-execute. So now check it here. The Django folder is there. If no extension is there, that is a folder, guys. And somewhere Python is also there here. Okay, and text files there with the .txt extension, .py file there. Later we can filter out these all things. Only text files I want access. Only Python files I want access. Okay, like that we can filter out, guys. I'll let you know a lot of variations. Now, next, how to create a new folder, guys. How to create a new folder. So this one, I want to do it. How to create a new folder. Simply task folder. Okay, order-wise, tasks-wise, I'll create, guys. So don't worry. So nearly 15, 20 tasks I created. So I'll let you know every task related. Okay. So how to create a new folder related? We have a mkdir method, guys. We have a mkdir method. So already here OS there, no need to import every time. So os.mkdir means make directory meaning, guys. Make directory meaning. So now here, which folder you want, that folder name you can create. Already in our current working directory, Django is there, Python is there. I want to create another one. For example, HTML, like one folder I want to create, or else database. Okay. So simply here, database, like I'm creating one folder. If you want to create any other location, if you want to create in any other location, that full path you have to give it here. So I want to do all actions in my current working directory only. So that's why in current working directory with this name is going to creating, guys. Okay. So here if and else there, guys, if and else there. With this name, if already available, then it returns exception. Okay. If with this name, if not available, then it is going to creating. Yeah, come on, let me know. What is your doubt? Okay. So now check it, guys. This is I'm creating, and after creating for my confirmation, one message I'll write. Okay. So directory created successfully. This message I'm going to displaying, and now execute. So here the directory created successfully, like there, guys. Directory created successfully. So now go and check it here. So here database created, just now created. Okay. And next comes to here one more time re-execute, guys. With this name already available folder, with this name already available. Then so one more time, if I'm executing, error throwing, file exists error throwing, guys. File exists error. Okay, files folders all are considering like a files only here. So if it is available, file exists error returning. Cannot create a file when that file already exists with name this database. simply file exists error returning. If not available, creating. If available, return exception. The point you have to understand here. Okay, this error message related also I'm giving. Same code. One more time I'm explaining. So because of this exception coming, why means already available. Okay. So next, here only guys, MKDIR there, same like this. RMDIR also there. RM means remove the directory. Remove the directory. CHDIR there, change directory, like that. Lot of things there. Okay. Via these assignments, I mean through these assignments, I'll explain everyone. Okay. Create a new folders. Create a new folder. So this is just to create a single folder, and I want to create several folders, guys. At a time, several folders I want to create it. Then how to do? Then how to do this new task? So this last task related multiple folders we are creating. Okay. For that, make dirs method is there, guys. Os dot make dirs. Make dirs means make the directories. Make means creating. Create the directories what you want. Okay. So for example, one parent, any whatever you want, you can create when you are doing practice, guys. Inside that one child folder I want to create. Inside that one grandchild. Grandchild I want to create is okay. So these all are the folders, guys. Grand. So it means first parent inside that child inside that grandchild, like that. Next level folders I want to create. So this is not like this one parent child grandchild, like that. Parallelly not creating, inside that creating. Next level folders creating is okay. So every time after creating, confirmation really created or not, you have to understanding. So directories, guys. Directory is created successfully. So now here, right click on the new. So directory is created successfully. We got it. And now check it here. Check it, guys. Here parent is there, and inside that child is there, inside that grandchild is there. Are you clear? Yes. Like number of directories, next level directories, entire path related we created in our current directory. This is the make dirs, and this is the mkdir only. Okay, remember. So if already available this path, again, if we are executing one more time, then going to return error. Directory is available like that. File exist error coming as okay. Here if not available, created. If available, error throwing like this. Whenever we are trying to deleting, if available, deleting. If not available, file not found error like that, returning. For example, the database related here only I'll do. Here only I'll do, guys. Simply like this. This is the creating. So I want to delete, guys. Okay, here only I'll write. I want to delete. Okay, this is the like a task file. How to remove a existing folder. How to removing existing folder. So now here check it. Now here Django database related, I'm going to deleting. For that RMDIR, remove the directory. Okay. So RMDIR method behavior, if it is empty folder, then only deleting. Okay. So now directory deleted successfully. Message I'm writing, bottom commented. Okay, everything commented. So now here remove. Directory deleted successfully. Command check it here. Check in this location. Database folder not there, guys. Okay. So next one more time, if I'm executing same program, then file not found error. The system cannot find the file specified with the database name. Okay. So that's why you're going to get this error. Okay. Now this is only 2 times. If available, deleting. If not available, error returning. Hope all of you understanding, guys. This is the task 6. And next comes to here. So rename a file or folder. Rename. How to rename? Means modifying the name, guys. Okay, modifying the name related. Okay. So for renaming a file or a folder name, we have a rename method, guys. We have a rename method. So in OS, we have a rename method. Rename of. So which one you want to rename? Okay, which one you want to rename? For example, we have one sample file here. Sample file. Okay, this sample file I want to rename as a example file with a name called example. Okay, now then create here the sample.txt, comma, destination file, what you want, example.txt. Okay, so this is a source file, This is a destination file, guys. This file name, with this name, I want to rename. There is a point here. So if this file is existing with this name, if available, then renaming. If not available, then file not found error going to throw in. Are you clear? So here, next, file name renamed successfully. File name renamed successfully. Okay, save it, execute it. And now here the file name renamed successfully. We got it. Really changed or not? Check it, guys. So previously sample is there. Now rename it to example. Okay, now. So now if it is available, working, guys, with this name available, that's why renaming to this name. So right now this file name is not there, already renamed. Again, one more time I'm going to executing. Then it is going to throwing the error. File not found error. The system cannot find the file specified with the sample text. Okay, if it is available, then you can convert into example.txt like that, error returning. Are you clear? So here, lot of methods, guys, if and else related. If available, what? If not available, what? Like that, returning. Now, this is a commenting. Okay, this one. So in this place, if you want a folder name also, you can use this folder name, so and so name, like you can rename it. Any file or folder name can rename it, guys. And if you want a full directory path also, you can give. Okay, so like that. Okay, next comes to here. How to delete a file, guys? How to delete a file? So RMDIR method behavior is removing the directory. If that directory is a empty directory only. Inside the directory, if any other files are subfolders, they're not deleting. For that, other one is there. Okay, I will let you know that one. So now come to here. This is another task. So how to delete a file? So deleting file purpose, we have a delete method. We have a delete method. OS dot not delete, remove method, guys. Remove method, I think. Okay, now remove method. So remove method is expecting one file, guys. Which file you want to remove? Which file you want to remove? Okay, that is you can decide it. For example, this okay, this all in the last session I executed, guys. Okay, so no problem. Anyone you can delete it. So demo 5 related file name I want to delete. Demo 5 related. Okay, so now here demo 5 related file name I'm going to give it. So this is I'm trying to removing, and after removing, print file removed successfully, like a message I'm going to returning. And now here restart. Now see here, file removed successfully. Really removed or not? Check it. Say demo 4 there, demo 5 not there, deleted. It is removed. After removing, at the time of removing, guys, if available, removed. If not available, then going to return error. Which error? File not found error. So check it here, file not found error. If available, deleted. If not available, file not found error returning. Okay, now. So here, this one I'm commenting. Okay, this is a removing related. Now next task, which one we did right now? Seventh one. Okay, next, how to delete an empty folder. This only we did, guys, already. This one only we did already. Okay, RMDIR method related. Okay, otherwise I'll give you, or else no need to do this one. Already we did here. Where is creating folder and rename a folder, where we did remove related RMDIR, this one. Okay, so how to removing existing folder, this one only our question related. If it is empty folder, then only deleting, guys. Okay, now this question related, how to delete an empty folder. So using RMDIR. Now, how to delete a non-empty folder? How to delete a non-empty folder? This one will do now. Non-empty means, so folder is there, inside that other folder there, inside that other folders are like something. So simply this folder I want to delete, inside that subfolders or files may available. Okay, using RMDIR method, if only empty folder, then deleting RMDIR. In that folder, if any subfolders or files there, unable to delete using RMDIR, then which method is suitable for deleting non-empty folder? Okay, that is now we will discuss here. So delete non-empty related. So RMDIR is only deleting for single related only, single folder related only. Okay. So for this non-empty folder related RM tree there, guys. RM tree, remove tree. Tree means a structure, parent folder, child folder, and grandchild folder, like that. Next level, entire the tree structure going to deleting using the RM tree. For example, os.rm tree. I think okay. So here, wait, guys. When we are working with OS module, sometimes we require to use some other modules as per the requirement. So we have a n number of requirements, guys. For example, where is my cursor? Cursor is blocking. Okay, now here, check it here. This is OS model. So here number of functions there. Using these functions, some task related, we can do logics. Okay, we have some other level related requirements. So what are available here, the properties, these things not satisfying, then we can use some other module support also. We can use some other modules. Okay, so in these modules, some functions there, methods there. Using those things, we can do it. Okay, OS module along with other modules. So that other module is here, shuttle module is there, guys. Shuttle is one we can interact with our files, guys. I mean, we can manipulating our files more easily. I'll let you know how much importance they're using shuttle module. I mean, simply when we are copying the files or something, shuttle module behavior is what I will let you know. Just here, shuttle module contains RM tree, guys. RM tree. Okay, so in this RM tree, which directory you want to delete can decide. So now here, parent inside that sub folder there, guys. So this is I want to give it. Okay, parent related. Now this parent I'm giving. After that here, confirmation message. Directories deleted successfully. All the directories inside this, whatever there, everything is going to deleting. Now here, execute. See, guys, the directory is deleted successfully. Really deleted or not? Check it here. Okay, so check it here. Python. What is that? Parent folder not there. Parent folder inside the child folder, inside that grandchild folder, like that. There, all deleted, guys. All are deleted. Okay. After deleting, again, if I'm trying to executing, then file not found error. Okay, no need to copy guys every time this one, or if you want every time, you can copy also for your understanding. Okay, so here I'll copy and comment and these three lines. One more time here. Now here also we can use it. See here the OS module not used, only subtle module I used. Okay, sometimes we can use like that as a combination of multiple modules as per the requirement. Okay, here one point I'll let you know what is the purpose of the uh, importance of the subtle module. Okay, I want to import the subtle module. And last session, guys, I have one file. Inside this, some lines of data is there. This file related data, I want to copy into another file. This task we did, guys. Are you remembering? Source file, this one, into this destination file, we copied. Guys. So that time, how we created logics, check it here. So first of all, using the open method, so our source file name here, demo.txt, demo.txt is there. So with the keyword related, I'm going to opening, okay, with open up this file, with which mode? Read mode. By default, read mode only taking as read mode, what is that? Read mode as a SRC means source, comma. Again, I want to open another different name I'm going to use. Okay, simply destination. Is there any folder name, file name called destination? Okay, already destination is there, guys. So you can take it any other folder, other file name. Or else if you want, you can remove it, this one also, no problem. Okay, sample name I'll take it as, or else copy file. Simply my file name is like a copy file. Copy, copy like I'm using. Okay. So in this file, whatever the data is there, that data I want to copy into this file. So that's why this is the write mode related I opened. This is the read mode related I opened for reading, for writing. Okay, now. So next here, from this source is nothing but SRC is nothing but this reading file related object. From this object, each line getting, actually not line, each character is getting as just like I created, each line getting, and next into this destination folder. Destination folder is this object, destination object. This object belongs to this file. So into this, how we are writing the data using the write method. Which one you are going to write? This line you are going to write. Okay. So like this, loop repeatedly executing as in this file, each character is getting, or each line is getting, like you can consider that line using the write method, you are adding to this one. Because of that, in this going to adding. So now write mode behavior is what? With this name, if file is not available, this is going to creating. If file is already available, it is removing and recreating, simply overriding. Existing data is going to losing. Okay. So now with this name, no file is there. That's why going to creating. After creating, so this file data is going to copy into this one. Okay. So after working this one here, data copied or else file copied successfully. File copied successfully, like you can display and execute, guys, here. So now file copied successfully, really copied or not, check it. Is there here, see, copy. So in the demo file, there's 4 lines of data is there. So that is I copied into this copy file, same lines there. Okay, now? So here, as a developer, these many lines we created, guys. So here, first we open this file with read mode, assigned to one file object. Again, we open this file with write mode, assigned to one more file object. Again, here one for loop we created. Again, here using write method, we saved into this destination file. So like a lot of logics we performed, guys. If you know subject knowledge, then only we are able to write like this. Okay, now? So now this one, without writing like this, using subtle model, I want to perform using subtle model. Okay. So now here, okay, just here I will import subtle model is there, guys. So in this subtle model, we have a copy method, guys. So many method there. Copy method is there. So which one you want to copy? This demo file I want to copy into which file you want to copy. In this copy to file I want to copy. That's it. Okay, subtle dot copy method is there. So here the which file we want to copy, that is a source file, into which file we want to copy, that is a destination file. This entire data is going to copy into this one. That's it. Done. So reducing burden on developers or not using this subtle module. Time saving, burden reducing, less lines of code we are writing like that. Okay, now. So now edge code, it is working or not, check it. Yes, file copied successfully. Check it here, copy to also there. Copy to also there. Okay, so like this. And again, another advantage of this subtle module is in this number of methods there, guys, like this copy. Number of methods there, using those all methods more beautifully we can copy the file. Sometimes files having permissions, guys. For example, if this file having permission, only authorized people can read the data, can write the data into this file like that. Some permissions there, file permissions there, guys. If you know so Linux related, using Linux commands, guys, we can provide permission to our files, guys. Okay, in Windows also using GUI interfaces, we can provide permission. If any permissions there for this file, so then if we are trying to copying here, then getting error, guys. You don't have permission for copying data from this file like that. So first we have to take the permission from the authorized people if we want to copy. So these all are making extra burden on the developers while copying using like this. But here some ready-made methods there, guys. Even though file having permission, so including permission also we can copy it. For example, here permissions there. So when we are copying like this without permissions copying, so including this file permissions also, if you want to copy to here, then different methods there. Okay, na? Like that, a lot of advantage there, guys, using subtle. So this is not time for discussing subtle related. I want to discuss voice related only. Voice related only number of methods there. We'll focus on that. When you have free time, so go with this subtle module, guys. I will get more beautiful knowledge. Subtle is a module. Whenever I'm importing like this, again, what is subtle? Don't ask. Okay, now subtle is a module. In this subtle module, we have some ready-made methods. Using this subtle module, we can interact with these files for copying data, only data copying, along with the data file permissions also. If we want to copy, like we can do it, number of actions. Okay, na? This is a module. It contains some methods. Using those methods, we can interact our files as per the requirement. Now, next. Okay, so here what I did, how to copy the data from source file into destination file, guys, into destination file using normal Python scripting, this one, and this is using the subtle module, guys, using subtle module. Same thing I did. Okay, now comes to here our task related. So need to complete these all things, a lot of tasks there here. And next, check if a file or a folder is existing or not. If a file is existing or not. Okay, that is I want to check it here. File or folder is this existing or not? I want to check it. In my current working directory, so and so file is there or not, or so and so folder is there or not. I want to find out. Then how we are writing for that. Exist method is there, guys. We have a exist method. So OS, okay, this is like one package, guys. Inside that sub package is there. Okay, path is there. OS dot path. Inside this we have a exist method, guys. Okay, some are directly available inside the OS. Some are inside this OS again path sub package there. Inside that available, guys. Okay, now. So remember. Previously I said don't get confusing. This is a function contains block of statements, assumption, block of statements, group of statements there. One more function, guys. Okay. So why creating this function means these all statements, if we want to reusing a number of times, those all statements inside the function we are writing. Number of functions, if we want to reuse inside the module we are creating, guys. So this is the module M1, for example. So here one more module is there, guys, M2. Okay, M2. So this entire module, if we are importing here, in this module, function 1, function 2, like that, all we can reuse it. Number of modules, if we want to reuse inside the package we are creating. So previously modules, packages related we discussed. So here one more module M3 we can create, and this entire package related we can import and we can use it. Or else, so here one more package you can create. So using this package, by importing this package, this is all number of modules we're using. So here this is a package 1, here package 2 is there, assumption. Same like this, here also structure is there. So number of packages, if we want to reuse number of packages, libraries we are creating. Okay, like next levels, guys. So inside this one is there, inside this one is there, inside this one, inside these lines. Like that we are going to execute it. These all are for reusability purpose only. Now inside the OS sub package there is path, inside that exist method is there. So using this exist method returns a true or false related value. Okay, we are going to give one file name, folder name, or else a path directory. So if that existing, then returns true, otherwise return false. For example, here Python, this folder name I'm giving. Okay, folder is there or not, I want to check it. So here Python. So if it is there, then returns true, guys. Okay, so now here the print, I'll write print. So only just true or false related I want to display. If available, true. If not available, false. Now true there. And here Python 123 I'm giving with this name not available. Python 123 not available. So that's why here the false returning, guys. False returning. Okay, now? So like this. This result, if you want, you can assign to one variable. If result double equal to true, then given folder available. If return false, inside the else block, given folder name not available, like that, if and else related logics we can create as per the requirement. Okay, that is you can do it. So exist method returns true or false. So here the full path also you can give it. Full path also you can give it. This entire path, if available properly, then exist method returns true. Otherwise return false. And next another one. How to get absolute path of a file. How to get absolute path of a file, guys. Okay. So here the absolute path means full path related. Full path, current path related full path I want to get it. Okay. Now here for that we have one method called ABS path. ABS path means absolute path. Directly print statement, all right. Directly I will print, guys. So OS dot inside that path is there, inside that ABS path, absolute path there. And now here you can give any one file related. For example, here what the, for example, this example I'm giving this example file I'm going to give it. This related path I want to find out. So now here example.txt. I'm giving this file. So now execute. Now check it, guys, here. So this is the absolute path. Full path. In this directory, we have this 80 folder, 83. Inside that files folder, inside that this so and so file. Like that, there is. Okay, now? Now that is absolute path related. And next, get a file name and a directory separately. Okay. So file name separately I want to get, and the directory name separately I want to get it, guys. So how we are getting this one? Okay. So here, when giving one full path, so last one is our file name, guys, and before that, entire directory path is there. Okay. So that is how we are getting. For that purpose, dir name, directory name related method is there. Base name, base name method is there. Using those things, we can get it, guys. For example, here, um, os dot, else directly I'll give it. Print function only I will use, guys. So inside that os, inside that path, okay, dot dir name, directory name, like that there. So now here, just this one I'm using. Check it. What is it returns? Nothing it return. So this is the path, the programming related path only, guys. So here, I think full path required to copy. So this example related, this is the path, guys. This is the path. And now here the slash example. So example is control A, copy. This is here. I copied like this. Now execute. Now check it, guys. Here. Okay. D drive 83 files using the here like this some error related you are getting, guys. So when we are giving path, guys, here the maybe some special characters also may available. Okay, for example, slash and representing new line. So these special characters behaviors, if we want to overcome, so then we can use double slashes, guys. Then we can use a double slashes, and you're not getting. So this is the default programming related path. Here also like this there. Okay, so no worries about that. Now here properly there. So this is using the dir, which method? This one, dir, guys. Okay, so using the dir, we got it like this, directory name. So because of this, this entire directory path, this is the current file, guys. Current file. So this file related path, we are able to accessing using dir name, means a directory name. Okay, only this file I want to get separately. So then here base name like that. So now execute. See here, only file name you're getting. Okay, so this is one full path assumption, guys. So this is one full path. So using the dir name, except this last file name, so only this folder name up to the directory name. Directory means folder name, up to the folder name you're getting. And using the base name, okay, except this folder name, guys, this file name, you're going to get it. So this single URL assumption, this is like one path. This path dividing like a two pieces. Okay, only file is like one part, and up to the directory folder is one path. Okay, so when anyone giving like this path, if you want to break it, only folder up to folder path, if you want, you can use this one. Only file related, if you want to access, use this one. Sometimes these two things separately giving, guys. This is separately giving, this is separately giving. You want to merge both paths. You want to merge like a single path. Then join method we can use. Then join method we can use. For example, here only I will use control D, and now here to here is like one thing, comma, here to here is like one thing, and the next this is another thing, guys. Okay, two things there. Now here join method we can use. Okay, so this is the folder path, this is the file. Both I want to merge. Is it working or not? Check it. Yes, working. Single path. Merging two paths and giving like a single one. Okay, here for your understanding, so this all I'm giving here only. All are one word answer only, guys. Your practice is important. Multiple outputs you are getting, by seeing the outputs also you can understand what is happening here like that. All of you understanding so far? Let me know on confirmation, guys. Only myself talking. Okay, good. Next, any other tasks there? Mm. Okay, how to list out only files or only folders from a given file? Okay, we'll do that. So only files or only directories. Folders means directories. How we are list out. Okay, this is asking us using the list dir function. Using the list dir function. So in current working directory, available all the files and directories we are getting this. Okay, now. So here only, actually here only some more methods, one word basic methods there in this location only. Mm, okay, I'll let you know, guys. Here only. Check it here. Okay, this task related later I'll let you know. So now this is a full path, guys. So ending file is there or only folder path is there, like you have to understand. So now here is file boolean function is there. So this is file function returns true when in the given path last one if it is a file. If it is a file path, this is a file path, then it returns true. So really returns true or not, check it. Here is there, yes, so true is there. Okay. And next here only I'm going to use is dir. Is dir function returns true if given path is a folder path. But right now this is a file path. That's why here false you're going to get it. Bottom one false you're going to get it. True and false there. Okay. So now check it here. This is the true related, and this is a false related. False. And these two things again opposite. All right. So here I'm going to give up to here this one. This is the what? The folder path. So is file returns false. I mean this is not a file path, folder path. Okay. And next here. So is dir function returns true. Why mean this is a folder path. So now here the bottom one false we are expecting, and for this true we are expecting. Really that coming or not, check it. Yes, yes, false and true. False and true, we got it. Understanding? Sometimes, guys, we are accepting a big path. Somebody is giving path, those path we are using here. Is this a file path or is it a directory path like that? We are identifying. So these all are the basic methods, guys. Basic methods, same like this. Dir, base name, join, is file, is dir, like that. Okay. So here, identifying the file path or directory path. Identifying the given path is a file path or directory path. Directory path. Okay, identifying the given path is a file path or directory path related, like this we can use. Okay, now comes to our 13th task. So here I'm going to use a list dir function, guys. As previously comprehensions concept discussed, guys, using the comprehensions also more advancedly we can write it, guys. So already OS module imported, guys, and I want to write comprehension for finding the only files. Only files. First of all, here OS dot list dir of this current path. Current path related dot also we can use dot. I mean without dot also directly list dir function return dot only current working directory related. So now can use this one. So current working directory related list of files and directories getting already starting only we did, guys, this one. Okay, list of files there, folders there, guys, here. So I want to separate all the files and I want to separate all the folders, guys, and simply I want to list out all the files separately, all the folders separately. Okay, so this is commenting. Now, so here comprehensions related we can write, guys. So simply only files related. Only files related. Comprehensions, list comprehension I'm using. List comprehension means a square bracket we are using. Something expression followed by the for loop. First for loop I'll write, later on result I'll get, that result I will use in this expression, guys. Okay, so that's why always first for loop can write inside this. So for f for f in OS dot here coming. Okay, this is the current working directory only, guys. Simply, this is the current working directory only. So current working directory related, if you want any other directory related, that path you have to give here. Any other directory related. Now I'm doing all the tasks related to current working directory. So current working directory related list of files and directories we are getting because of this. So now from that each one getting into this F. Okay, so that F I want to send to the condition, guys. Is that a file or folder I want to find out? Okay, how do you find out this F is a folder or file? How do you find out? So here using this one is file is dir function. Okay, is file to this function, to this method, if we are sending this F, okay, then if it is a file, it returns true. If it returns true, then we'll accept that F, nothing but that file, and add into this list. Okay, so like that, guys. So now here os dot path dot is file os dot path dot is file I'm using, and next here now here just we can use, I'll check it, guys, this one. This F, if it is a file, it returns true. Okay, if it returns true, I will add that F into this expression, simply into this list. Okay, I will print really it is working or not, or any changes required, I'll do testing. So only files, like I'm going to print. Check it, guys. Here any folder coming, only files coming. So text file, bin file. This is also bin file only, binary file related. Text file, these all are text file. Okay, all of the files only coming. Working fine or not? Okay, properly working. This one. Are you clear this logic? Because of this current working directory related list of files and folders coming. So each one after another coming into this F. This is one variable into this variable. This variable we are sending to this condition. So using this is file method, this variable contains a file related path or not, file name related or not, checking, guys. Okay, if it is file, then returns true. That's why that file adding into this list. So finally, list of only files going to get. Same like this, same like that, folders related. Only folders I want to accept right now. So only folders or only directories, folders, only folders. Now here, which one you are going to use? Is dir. So if it is directory related, then true return, that is adding into here. So now here, this one can print here, and one separation line I'm going to print, empty line gap. See, guys, 3 folders there. Really 3 only or not? Check it. Yes, 3 folders only. All of you clear? This one. I'll give you one assignment to you. Are you ready to do? Here, from the current working directory, list of files and list of directories separately I accessed. Okay, list of files and list of directories. Now, note it, guys, my assignment, do this one. Okay, so here list of files there, I want access only text files. I don't want Python files, any other files. Here the bin file also there. So only text files I want to access. I want to return list of all the text files. How do you do it? Think about that one. out of in current working directory list of files, different types of files there, different folder there. So folder separated, files separated. Again here different types of file there. I want to filter out only text files. How do you do it? Are you ready to do that one? Yes, Bharat, correct. So think about that one, guys. Now here file there. To these files for loop you can write every file is coming out. Every file is coming out. Okay. Next what need to do? Next what need to do? So every file is like one string, guys. Every file is like one string. So inside this string we have a ends with method. We have a ends with method. Ends with dot txt, like you can check it. Okay. So if ends with txt, then returns true. Ends with method, starts with method there. In Python string handling, I explained. Hope you are remembering. So if ends with the text, returns true, then that file you can access and store into one list. So then only text files can fill out. Okay, now? So next, there any other task? Okay, two more tasks there, small tasks. So I want to get the file sizes. Every file is having size. Every file is having sizes, guys. So file size, I want to get it. File size. For that, get size method is there in the path module, submodule. So voice dot path, while dot path dot get size method is there. Get the size of which file size you want. For example, demo text. In this demo text, 4 lines of data is there. Okay, 4 lines of data is there. Size returns in the form of bytes, guys. Size returns in the form of bytes. Okay, now? So now here size equal to, like I'm assigning, and I want to print here. I want to print here size, size. Here I want to return, guys. Size, okay, size bytes. Okay, string message I'm returning. So on so bytes like that. Now return. So size 151 bytes there, guys. File size 151 bytes. Okay, na? So in this file, 151 bytes related data is there. 151 bytes. For example, right now 151 return this one. Now here print open up demo text. Okay, file is opening with the read mode, and then read method I'm using. So reading the data, guys. Right now here reading the data from that file. Total data is there. So how many characters are there? I want to find out. Then len function can use len function, and now check it. So here the 148 character there, guys. Okay. So /n there, guys. /n is not counting here. The actually bytes format counting those also. 4 lines there. 3 slashes there, guys. So 3/n is there. 148 plus 3, 151 like coming. The file size only, guys. Okay, na? Like this. Okay. Now next, this is one of the important method. This is the last one, guys, for this today's session. Not only these tasks, guys, I will add some more tasks for your practice purpose. Nearly 30 tasks I will share to you. Okay, these all are some basic things. Some more advanced related also I'll let you know. Do practice, then it will increase your capability. Okay, this last one, walkthrough method is very important. Now here, so previously, guys, using the list dir method only in the current working directory related list of directories means folders and files only we accessed. So inside these folders, if any subfolders there, for example, in Python, nothing there. Inside Django, is there anyone? Okay, stay there. In here the one file I want to create something file. Okay, something demo guys, something demo file I'm creating. Okay, so next inside this REST API, one more file I want to create, sample name, sample. Okay, so now check it guys here. Django is there. Inside that REST API, one folder, one file is there. Inside this REST API, again one more file is there. So like this all inner level structure, entire low level structure from top level to low level, all nested folders and the files, everything. If we want to get, walk method is there. We are going to use that walk method. List dir method, if we are using only current working directory related list of files and directories only we are getting. Next levels directories not going to get. Okay. So just wait, I'll put charging. This last one I'll complete and I'll stop guys. Okay. Now comes to here. So here walk like one method is there. So using that we can related method. So voice module already imported. And now here I want to write one for loop guys. So dir name, directory name, comma, simply files, next files we are getting. So file names, comma, directory. If you want, this is the instead of name, path we can write. Dir path, directory path. In that directory, if any file there, those files getting into this files guys. Before the files folder name also you're going to get. Simply here we can use dir names, dir names, directory path. In that directory, what are the folders there? All called directories guys. So list of directories getting into here. And in this directory path, if any file there, list of files coming into here guys. A group of files coming into here. Okay, 3 variables I'm using. In voice dot walk of this is a current working directory. Current working directory. Current working directory related. Going to get it up. Now here can write the print statements guys. Can write the print statement. So first I want a print f directory or f of so current directories I want to print guys. So simply current directory, simply current directory. I'm going to write directory path. See only path related right now you're going to get it. Walk missing one required positional argument top. Okay, so here path is required. Now here dot can write as a dot representing current working directory. Okay, now check it here. So current working directory, this one is a root folder related. So if we are giving a full path related guys, so this is the current working directory, for example. Okay, so directly you can give if you want. And special characters if you want to vomiting, then double slashes can give it. And now check it here. This is the current working directory. Okay. So every time, because of writing like this, every time like this you're getting. So in this main directory, so with idea like one folder related subdirectory is there. And inside this idea, next level, these all things there guys. Wait, charging is not 18. What is happening? Charging is not. Okay. Yes, before going to shut down my laptop, I will complete this one. So here only directories related you are getting. Okay. If laptop shut down, guys, session completing like that, remember. Okay, now. So now this is the folder there. Inside that next level folder is there. Here Django is there. Inside that Django REST API is there. Inside this REST API, any other folder is there, like that. All next level folders you're going to get using this directory path. Okay. And now here next one, I'm going to use a print f of list of current directories related. I want to get it, guys. Simply these are the main directories. In these directories, if any subdirectories there, if we want, we can get it. Simply here subdirectories related subdirectories. Subdirectories related. Simply inside this only we can write. So what is that? Second variable name. dir names we are getting. And now check it here. Okay. Okay. Three things I'll write and I'll put one empty space. Then you will understand it fully. And then next here the files, guys. That files there. And now here file names there. Okay. After printing this all, one print Java I'm using. Okay. So now check it here. Check it, guys. First this one. First this one, guys. Okay, not this one. First this one. The current directory is this one, root directory, given directory. Inside that subdirectories, these three folders there. Okay. And in this current directory, this is the main directory, guys. In this directory path, files, this all group of files there, guys. List of file there. So this is using the list directory also we accessed previously. Okay, now next this path related, guys, along with this / idea, this related getting. So inside that, if any subdirectory they are returning. Inside that, if any file they are returning. Okay, like this. These are our default structure. Forget about this. And now coming to this Django. Okay, so files / Django is the next level path. This one. See here. Where is there here? D83 files Django. So in this Django, if any subdirectory is there, list of directories returning. REST API there. Any file there, list of files returning. Okay. Next, after this Django / REST API is going to adding. This is the next level. Okay. Inside this REST API folder, if any directory is there, return here. Not there, that's why empty list. If any file there, list of files returning. Okay. And here the one more folder called the Python folder is there, guys. Next, this related path generating here. Okay, na? And inside that, no folders, no files. Like that, the next level path also you're going to get it, guys. All the directories and files. So Vacuum method returns generator object, guys. Returns generator object by using this given path. That generator object contains three parts, guys. Contains three parts. Directory path. Inside that path, what are the subdirectories there and what are the files there. So first directory path return to here, subdirectories information return to here, list of files related information return to here. Just we are going to do unpacking. Okay, simply remember this is like one tuple format is there. So internally tuple format, value 1, comma, value 2, comma, value 3, like this there, guys. Okay. So in this first place, directory path is there. And in this second place, list of directory names there. In this third place, list of files there. So this is what unpacking concept. So here the list of three values there. These three values to three variables assigned and I accessed. Then next level folders and files, everything you are able to see. Only using list dir, current working directory list of files and directories in the form of list only we are able to see. So this is the difference between WAC and list dir method. Okay, na? Yeah, guys. So this is enough, guys. This is 15 task related I explained. So not only these things, guys, more advanced level also we can do it. A number of variations there. Waste module is a very, very important one. So today I'll upload one material and these tasks also I'll upload. Only here questions there. These questions related answers here I did, guys. to do practice for interviews purpose, not only for interview, in the real time also, this voice model is more helping to you. So do practice more and more on this voice model. Okay. So this is enough about the file handling concept, guys. I'm not going to discussing Excel files, the CSV files, the JSON files, these all things. I don't want to spend much more days on this file concept. So right now so far we used the text files related JSON related separate module we are using, CSV related module we are using, Excel related module is there. So using those extra modules, we can work with those things. In Python only, by importing those separate files related modules, we can interact with them. Okay, so spend some extra time on those modules and you will understanding. And you don't worry, coming days I'm going to teach advanced module like a pandas module. Using pandas, how we are interacting to Excel, CSV files, JSON files, these all things I'll let you know. Okay, na? I don't want to discuss normal modules, separate modules, that CSV, JSON related, Excel related. I don't want to discuss those modules. These all things using pandas module, how we are managing easily, I will let you know. Okay, na? Yes, thank you. Tomorrow, new topic we'll discuss, guys. Exception handling we'll discuss. Tomorrow, what is Saturday, na? Sunday. Okay, Saturday. We have a session tomorrow also, guys. So tomorrow, exception handling, I'm going to discuss a new topic. Don't miss it. So 2 sessions we are planning for exception handling and real time, very important. For developing the real time applications, exception handling concept is more important. Okay, na? Thank you, guys. Thank you for this session. See you tomorrow.
Recording stopped.
Hope today's session, you all people are understanding, guys. All are one word answer. Some people may be little bit getting confusing. Okay, a lot of methods explaining, more fastly teaching like that. Don't worry, line by line. These all things I'm going to share with you. And almost whatever the methods I explained, guys, here in these all topics, these all methods related available information in the material. To read and do practice. One day only 5 methods, one day another day 5 methods. Like if I'm discussing, more days required to spend. Then time taking more days. And guys, morning 9 a.m. offline session start.